and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to. Your keyboard is. Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. Let's get an account going for you. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. Want to set up a PIN? Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep. Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some? Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Office 3. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. These are the. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.